Kooboo allows you to use hundreds of applications and tools in one location. After logging in, go to Market. Go to Tools. Here, you can find many tools you can install and use. We are going to give 4 examples. To use a tool, click on the thumbnail. On the detail page, give it a name. And click Create. Now you have installed the tool into your Kooboo instance. Click the link to use it. Now you are in your workspace. Click Create to create a new file. Now you are inside the application. Let's change the language to English. Now you can start using the tool. This is a drawing tool. You can present your ideas. You can create a condition here. You can make a connection. Now draw another one. This is an example of Excalidraw. Let's look at another example. Let's choose Polotno now. Give it a name. And click Create. Open the link. Now you need to log in. You are at your workspace again. Click Create to open the application. Now the application has loaded. You can click an image to insert it. You can execute all kinds of options. You can do anything available. Let's add text. Now change some text. This is the application Polotno. Let's look at more examples. Choose Page Designer this time. This is a designer for your web page. Click Create to install. Now open the application. You are at your workspace again. Click Create. It is loading. You can drag a text box to the canvas. Change the text value. Then drag an image. One more image. Add a form. This is the example of Page Designer. We are going to give you one more example, then show you how to share your file. We save this page for later use. Refresh the workspace, and you can see the newly added file. Let's go to our last example. This example is DrawIO. It is a very popular drawing tool. Name occupied? Give it another name. This may take a while because the package is big. We are done now. Open the application. You are at the same workspace. You can change to dark or light mode. Create a file. You are at the options from DrawIO. You have plenty of options here. Let's just make a flowchart. Click Create. You are in the editing interface. You can do anything you want. This is a very powerful and popular tool. Okay, we have shown you some examples. What if you now want to share a file with others? In your workspace, you can share files with others. Choose to share with your team or the community. The community is public users. When shared with the team, your team can find them in the team files. This is a file from my team. If I share my document with the team, click Confirm. Now in the team file, you can see this is the file I shared. The community is for everybody. What if you only want to share a link? Go to the menu. Select Link. It will generate a link. You can define the link validity for 30 days. Then click Generate to get the link. This link you can copy and share with others. Now people can view your work. We have showed you how you can install and use the tools available inside Kooboo. See you next time.